award this year's winners. Who do you think will win an Agon float category? At the same time, who will be our winners for our dance category? And I actually have informed a while ago yung ating prizes for both categories. Our third prize, they will win 200,000 pesos. Our second prize winners, mananalo po ng 300,000 pesos. And the grand champions for both categories will win 500,000 pesos. At the same time, ating pong introduce yung ating innovative approach as we celebrate the Sangyao festivities. Kanina po, we were joined by one of the hosts for tonight, Root Groups. Thank you so much. We were actually immersed to what is happening in the street of the Magsaysay Boulevard. Maraming salamat sa coverage mo, along with the help of John Ray Enoch Films, our live stream provider. Palakpakan po natin mga kasangkayan. Anong oras na po? Actually, it's 30. Happy Fiesta, City of Tacloban!